There are two categories if you want to find news. First, you have to get the broad idea of the market. Then you go into the specific कि आपके shares और investments कौन से हैं. So for me to get the broad idea, I don't watch the TV news, but I genuinely watch the interviews of the big and great investors I idolize on the television. Why? Because they are credible, right? And second, I watch the interviews, so I keep getting an idea on their mindset, क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. For the second thing, for the broad news, what I do is I read newspapers. Now, newspapers, I keep reading through random magazines and journals. मैं करता रहता हूँ. Newspaper, if you ask me personally, I read The Mint. Again, I am not sponsored by any publishing house or media house. I'm just sharing my personal opinion with you. तो I personally read The Mint because by उसके 2-3 columns है which I find very intriguing. सुबह पढ़ने में I like it. But if you take the Business Standard, Economic Times, all are good. You can go with any, whichever one you like, you can go with that. I personally prefer The Mint. Now coming down to specific news. Now specific अगर news चाहिए for your specific share, your specific sector, your specific investment, तो कैसे मिलेगी? What do I do? First, I have a Bloomberg app on my phone. I would urge and suggest कि you visit all these apps and all these websites. जो अच्छी लगे वो choose कर लो. I personally use the Bloomberg app. So it keeps giving me news about the macros and the micros, right? Then I use Google Alerts. Google Alerts, it's a fantastic tool. तो Google Alerts में जाओ, investments में जाओ, तो what share and sector you want, उसको आप choose कर लो. And if you want it in Hindi, in English, whatever news update Google gets, it will keep on mailing you. So इससे this is one of my favorite tools. So मुझे से काफ़ी quick updates मिलते रहते हैं. A third party website I personally use is screener.in. screener.in. Why? Because fundamental analysis के लिए I find ये बहुत अच्छी वेबसाइट है. इसका फॉर्मेट ईजी है टू टीच, टू एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स टू माई मेंटीज. मैं इस वेबसाइट को बहुत यूज़ करता हूँ. अगेन मैं स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं हूँ. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू माई ऑनेस्ट थिंग्स व्हाट आई यूज़, राइट? ये हो गया. नाउ कंक्लूजन में ये तो तभी भी चलो स्पेसिफिक हो गया, बट रियलिटी इसमें भी नहीं है बिकॉज मैनिपुलेशन इनमें भी होगा. द रियलिटी इज डेटा एनालिसिस. Go to the company website, NSE website, BSE website, see its figures, see the ratios, do market research. Market research की वीडियो देखने में यहाँ लिंक कर रहा हूँ जिसमें मैंने बिगिनर्स का मार्केट रिसर्च दे रखा है. मार्केट रिसर्च करो because that data will not lie. Things can be manipulated easily, but that data will not lie. Then the ultimate truth is the price chart. उसका technical price chart देखो. That price indicators, that price and volume indicators will never lie. So your ultimate truth, my friend, is data analysis, price chart. और इससे भी better रास्ता बताऊं, start from ground zero. Ground zero. I'll give you an example. Now people ask me, sir, Tata Motors खत्म हो गया, क्या करें? My friend, आप मुझे खुद बताओ. Do you want to buy a Tata Motors car as of now? No. Would you suggest someone to buy a Tata Motors car as of now? No. What car would you prefer? What brand would you prefer? Suzuki. I love Suzuki. Now, if you yourself do not want to buy a Tata Motors car, how can you expect them to do well in the future? इसलिए सुजुकी कहाँ से कहाँ है, टाटा मोटर्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं हो पाया, राइट? हो सकता है इन द फ्यूचर थिंग्स एब्सोल्युटली टर्न ऑन, दैट इज ऑलवेज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू दैट न्यूज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम ग्राउंड जीरो. A share investment starts from ground zero, and my friend, we are sitting at ground zero, so why not check the reality? Check the reality yourself. News तो आती जाती रहेगी. Check the reality of that company, of that sector yourself. Go into the market. What is the problem? What company is doing well? Why is that company doing well? What are the technological advancements in that company? Study at ground zero, data analysis and price chart are the three ultimate truth to stock markets, to every stock market news possible. इसके आगे पीछे it's only noise. It's only noise. These three are the ultimate tool. Yes, you can use indicators like watch interviews, what I personally do. You can watch interviews, you can follow Google Alerts, Screener, you can follow 1 or 2 apps. That's good. But ultimate news आपकी इधर से ही है. Right? So guys, that was it for today. I hope you like the video. Comment करो नीचे, do you think that Indian media is good or not? Comment करो if you have seen such a scam happening. Comment karo if you want to study a scam like this happening. We keep giving a lot of case studies. So if you want case studies, we will also provide you with a lot of case studies. So in our course, when we teach, हम बहुत case studies देते रहते हैं. So if you want, we will also provide it on YouTube. नीचे comment करो, मुझे बताओ, like करो, share करो, and subscribe please करना. You know, personal story, my dad gets very happy. So whenever he goes to party वगैरह ना, he shows me देखो देखो 11,000 हो गए. तो every hour I think he's on his phone checking कितने सब्सक्राइबर हो गए. ज़्यादा पेस नहीं है बट जो भी है, तो we are very very thankful for it. So thank you so much. सब्सक्राइब करते रहो, शेयर करते रहो. This is Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.